In this video, we'll be taking a look at 7 apps for Android that will help you stay productive and get more done as a student. Without wasting any time, let's just get right into it. I previously created this video for the iPad. This is basically gonna be the Android version of that same video. Alright, so this is something I really wish existed when I was a student myself. The app is called Speechify. It's basically a read aloud app. You can listen to your books, notes and research papers in the form of an audiobook. As a student, we have to get a lot done in a very less amount of time. In such situations, Speechify can be really useful. You can listen to your books while traveling or while working out. Studying can often be interesting if you could pair it up with something you enjoy. This app is fairly simple. You can just add the text you want to listen to and it will read it out for you. And don't worry, it does not have that annoying AI voice. You can even have Snoop Dogg as your narrator if you wanted to.
So using visible movement as the defining characteristic of life is not enough. Movements over very small scales will be invisible to the naked eye.
It gives you various options to choose from. You can also change the narration speed as per your liking. It's available on every platform, so you can continue listening to them on your computer as well. This will allow you to finish off your workbooks really fast. You can either scan your documents or you can simply upload PDFs and it will read them out for you. Give this app a try. It will surely help you finish your courses fast and also increase your productivity. In case you are new over here, hey guys, my name is Prithviraj. I'm an electronic music producer, a part-time gamer, and I also try to make videos. Now let's take a look at some note-taking apps. Concepts. This one is basically a whiteboard app. It means that you have an infinite canvas to note down your ideas. This app can be super useful for planning, but I would somewhat use it in a different way. When I was a student, I used to have a notebook where I used to write down random thoughts that used to pop up in my mind. Most of these thoughts used to be totally irrelevant and a total waste of time. Random thoughts like, who won the last F1 race? What was the name of the song I heard in the bathroom? What's Miss Mia up to these days? But the thing is that if you don't address these random thoughts, it will keep reappearing in your mind again and again and again. Simply write them down here to reflect on it later. Once you are done, you will realize that majority of them didn't really need your attention at all. Try it sometimes, it can be super useful. If you are a creator or you have some kind of side hustle, I recommend that you have one. Then this can be useful in that matter. Simply free up your mind and note down what your heart desires. This app won't judge you. GoodNote 6 is actually available on some countries right now. In India, I guess it's only available for Samsung tablets. Correct me if I'm wrong, as I'm not really sure about this one. But yeah, since it's currently in a very weird situations, we are not gonna feature that. So in this video, we're gonna feature Notewise to play it safe. Notewise has a great writing experience since you can take your class notes very easily over here. You can switch between different page layouts and colors as per your need, and you can also organize your notes into different folders and notebooks. You will be able to organize your notes as per different subjects this way. You can import PDFs of your books in this app. You can basically create a folder called PDFs and load up all your books over here. This way, you will be able to use it as a PDF reader, and you can also take book notes on top of that. Do give this app a try if you're in the market looking for a handwritten note-taking app. But in case you prefer a type-based note-taking app, then check out Notion. Many of you might actually know about this app. It's simply a beast. Notion is an all-in-one workspace and note-taking app that combines note-taking, project management and database functionalities in a single platform. You can just take notes and organize them very effectively based on your different projects. Or you can simply scan or take a screenshot of your handwritten notes and store inside it over here. It can act as a storage area for your notes quite nicely. Notion works on a block-based mechanism where every block is a different element. Hence, it really becomes easier to rearrange your stuff. You can create and manage various tables and databases over here. It can simply help you manage all your projects. Rather, it can help you manage your entire life. I plan on creating a complete beginner's guide for Notion really soon, so make sure you hit the subscribe button for that. And I'll keep bringing you more such videos on productivity and tech. ChatGPT. If you are living under the rock, then it's high time that you come outside. This app can help you so much. I wish ChatGPT existed when I was a student. It's a total game changer. You can ask whatever you want. For example, let's ask ChatGPT to explain us the process of photosynthesis, and as you can see, it will generate the answer. You can even ask math problems and equations. This will be really helpful if you ever have to write an essay. Simply type write me an essay on the given topic and it will do that for you. Or you can even use it for your creative needs, like it can help you write lyrics like Katy Perry if you wanted to. The area where ChatGPT lags as of now that it only has information up to September 2021. Anything after that, it's simply unavailable. There is an alternative by Google called Google Bard which can help you in that. I recommend that you use Bard as your default search engine rather than Google itself. It will help you answer your questions directly without having to browse through thousands of articles and ads just to find the scientific name of a cockroach. You can access Google Bard using any web browsers. Let's talk about task management apps now. Although you can manage your tasks through Notion, but it's not really ideal for that, as it is really slow at times and it requires an active internet connection to even load up the app. A simple to-do list is gonna be more ideal for such situations. The one I personally use most is called Todoist. You can simply add your task and manage it from here. The thing that I like the most about Todoist is that it supports a simple language. You can simply type finish your chemistry homework on Saturday 4 p.m. and it will create a time-based task for you. On top of that, it's very easy to create recurring tasks like practice algebra every Tuesday at 10 a.m. and it will schedule that for every week. You can also divide your task in different projects in order to manage them more efficiently. It's a cross-platform app. The desktop variant of this app actually makes it super convenient to reschedule your tasks. Speaking about managing time and tasks, I have tried out various apps for time blocking or calendar blocking to fix my schedule. Following a routine is really important as a student if you want to make the most out of your time. After trying hundreds of apps, I'm simply back to using Google Calendar. I often underestimate this app and look for other options, but then I realized all of them are simply unnecessary. Why do you have to pay for a subscription just to access something basic like a calendar? Hence, I'm simply back using that. It is super easy to create time blocks in your calendar and you can create a routine for yourself. If you haven't tried out the calendar blocking method, then I highly recommend that you give it a try once at least. Let's do one thing. Try planning for your entire schedule tomorrow, and if possible, do that before going to bed tonight. This will surely help you as you don't have to waste time thinking about what your next task is in the middle of the day. Give it a try. It will surely be useful. And if you are pumped up right now, I can help you fuel that even more. Click here to check out the best Android apps that will help you stay more productive. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you there.